Hey boss babes, my name is Asia Lorraine and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys read about the title, I am going to show you guys how I make my fall collection for my EXO Beauty wholesale. In this fall collection for our boss babes who are ready to start their own lip gloss line this fall or who wants to expand their brand. So we basically wholesale lip gloss, lashes, private label where you can imprint your logo onto our lip gloss or lipsticks. Very excited to show you the behind the scenes of our fall lip gloss collection. I kind of want to show you guys our summer collection just in case you guys missed it. We have the pinks, the browns, the nudes for the rainbow, but I have no more of that. If you guys do want to sample these, it only costs $9.99 to get you a sample. And already subscribe to my channel, subscribe right now and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like these. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I just got done making the shades that I want for my fall collection, and this is how it turned out. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna explain each one. So this one, like a cute purple but with the slight red tone to it, and as you can see, it's just, this one is definitely my favorite one. But comment down below what you think I should name all of these shades. If I like one of them, then I will give away a free sample of my wholesale lip gloss. So definitely comment that down below. By the way, all of my lip glosses are non-sticky. It's very moisturizing on the lips, and I did put vitamin E to, you know, moisturize your lips as well. Is like a cute brownish pinkish shade. By the way, all these are pigment, and I'm going to show you how I fulfill these shades into the tubes. I'm in love with this one as well. It's so hard to choose what's my favorite, but this one, look at that, so satisfying. This one, which is a hot red lip gloss. You can never go wrong with red in the fall. I love it so much. She is pigmented, honey. She gives off that hot red vibe, and I just can't wait to see how it will look on my lips. You could just tell that my lip glosses are not sticky just by doing this. The next one, this is like a light nude, and this is definitely great for the fall. It's like the right tone for all skin complexions, and I think this would just go perfect for the fall. If you babes are looking to add a cute nude brown to your lip gloss line, then I definitely recommend this color. But yeah, she is ready for the fall, y'all. Last but not least is my pink, my light pink. Not too harsh, and I don't know, I feel like you don't need dark colors for the fall. Just add a little bit of lightness. She is a very light bubblegum pink, and y'all, I just can't wait to swatch this one as well. Yeah, so she is definitely not sticky. Ooh, this is so satisfying. I love when I do this. Down below what you guys think so far. We do offer samples as well. It's only $9.99 to sample these, and I am going to show you guys how I fulfill the tubes. And yeah, so let's move on. am done. We're gonna make this pretty fast because my camera might die. That is all. This literally took me 2 hours to film. I had to do stuff with my social media and stuff, y'all. So these are the lip glosses. These are the lip glosses. This is how it looks. You could choose from to start your own line, and I really want to try on the red one for you guys. Wait, I had trouble with the tubes. Ugh. Hold up. This is my favorite. Look at that. See, it's not sticky. Honey, a lip liner and this on, y'all, I can't make this up. This is a bomb lip gloss. So you guys really need to try this. On September 7th, that's when I am launching my fall collection. Always sample these. It's only $9.99. This one's gonna be for me. I do sanitize all my things. I changed my gloves so many times. Without the red, it looks so freaking pretty. I don't really know how to show you guys. I might put up a picture on the screen and show you guys the full thing. It tastes so good. I put tropical on that one. Oh my god. Are the other collection. See, these are so freaking cute. You guys cannot tell me these. Oh, these are way too cute. By the way, all these, the ones I'm trying right now, are for me. Let me wipe my lips. She looks. I love how these wands are. These are great wands to have. God, oh my god, oh my god. This is how it looks. Honestly, I just love how these came out. Yeah guys, I think that is all for the video. A lot today and I'm very tired and I had to record another video. It's just so much, but hey, in the description down below what I should name these, and if I really love the name and if I, you know, choose the one that I like, then I will send you guys a message. But make sure you guys leave your social media or email. You guys, or maybe 2, will win a free sample so you guys can try it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and also give this video a big thumbs up. Mark your calendars for September 7th for this fall collection. And yeah, if you're ready to start your business, click the link in the description to XO Beauty Wholesale and we'll help you get started. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.